Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now this case is made by A-Train. Pretty thin case. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Alright, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the A-Train Galaxy Note 20 Ultra case. Hard, ultra thin, shock-proof PC, 3-in-1 velvet touch fingerprint proof, anti-slip, anti-marks cover. Now this should be pretty thin. You got different colors there. You got the red and black. You got a blue and black, kind of rose gold looking one, and you got blue, and you got all black. All right. And $13.99. You can get this on Prime. I had a similar case for the Galaxy Note 8, not a Note 8, but a Galaxy S8 several years ago, and it was a pretty big hit. We'll see how this one looks and put it on the device and see what it looks like. Okay. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, let's take this out of the box. Here's the box that comes in right there. A little bit of branding there. A little bit more information on the back. All right, but this is the case right here. Pull this to the side. Just get it out of this plastic. All right, so you got a little diagram that tells you how to put it on. Okay, to remove this, you kind of push this in. Okay. Do the same thing for this side here as well. You pull this out and then you kind of spread this and then you pull the ends off. Okay. Now let's get the device and put it inside. All right, here's the Note 20. Let's go ahead and put this in. I'll put this in first. Now this feels and you're gonna know it's right because it's gonna line up with the camera. And this feels pretty good, and it has a nice soft velvet feel to it right there. All right. Now the camera helps you line everything up because you got to put this on right to fit the camera. So, you know, you got it on pretty good. Now, this is the top, this is the bottom piece right here. So you can see this lined up like that. Let's put that on. So just cap it on like that. All right. And then this is the top piece right here. You're going to put this on. And everything will line up for you, so you'll know you got it on right, because you can only go one way. Okay, so that fits on pretty well. Now this is pretty sleek. Nice looking case. Very thin though. You are gonna, you're not gonna have a lot of, you can't throw this across the room or get drops, but it'll definitely protect for scratches. And if you like slim cases, this is what you want to get. Buttons work well. Everything lines up on the bottom. You got your mic, your charging port, your speaker. S Pen is a little tight, but you can get in there. And the cameras all line up well. And it's going to be protected. You see it's raised up, so your camera protected really well there. Mic hole up top. But this is a pretty sleek case. And it's not too slippery. It's got that matte feel, but it's not slippery though, so you're gonna like this. Now, of course, again, you can't drop it, and throw it around, but it'll definitely keep you protected from scratches. If you had a screen protector on, you kind of got some 360 scratch protection right there in this case. Okay, let's check out wireless charge. Okay, here's the wireless charger. Of course, we know that's going to work, no problem. Popped up right there. Pretty thin case, so no problem there. All right. Okay, so that was a quick look at the case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra made by A-Train. This is a nice slim protective case here, good for scratch protection, and it feels nice in the hand. All right, not too bulky, pretty slim. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.